Hello guys, on this video we're gonna talk about the monitor I got right here. So guys, welcome to another video. This is Liagoras Moments, and on this video I got you the HP E24 G4 IPS monitor. This is a full high definition 1920 by 1080 resolution monitor with HP IEs that actually filters blue light without affecting color accuracy or adding yellow tint to your display. This monitor is energy efficient and it's Energy Star certified. You can personalize your view and never lose a moment of productivity with the 4-way monitor adjustability that lets you find the sweet spot. A 3-sided micro edge makes it very elegant and reveals more of your work. The screen is not 24-inch but is 23.8-inch flicker-free diagonal screen with crisp visuals from every angle. The contrast ratio of the screen is 1000 to 1, the brightness is 250 nits and the monitor weighs 12.5 pounds or 5.6 kilograms. The monitor comes in a nice and a very protected box. To set it up, you better follow the quick guide as it tells you how to set it up correctly and don't damage the monitor. Because as we said, the edges are very thin and you don't want to pick up the monitor with your own hands, but mount it first to the base. So just follow the quick guide and everything is very easy and explained in the guide. In the box, except the AC power cord, you'll get the HDMI cable, a DisplayPort 1.2 cable and a USB Type B to A cable. By connecting the USB Type B to A cable to your PC, you'll be able to use the 4 integrated USB 3.2 hubs on the monitor and connect your USB accessories. That is very handy, and in my case, because I'm using a laptop, I have only 3 USB ports, so I find it very useful to have also USB ports on this screen. This is the reason actually I took this monitor to use it like a second screen and at the same time extend my USB ports. It's like we're saying killing 2 birds with 1 stone, right? Also, I really love the adjustability of this monitor. It can tilt, you can change the height and use the pivot rotation to use it in portrait or landscape view. Very comfortable. At the end is a nice business office monitor with a great design. The colors on the monitor are nice but not great. I wouldn't recommend it to someone that are doing color correction like in Photoshop or Premiere Pro or something like that, or even for gaming. This is a monitor for the office with nice decent image and nice adjustable features. For a second monitor to extend your workplace, it's perfect, and this is how I'm using it. I hope you enjoyed this small review of the HP E24 G4 monitor. Like and subscribe for more, and until next time, let's make moments we can never forget. Peace.